Coordinator at Learning Undefeated, a nonprofit STEM organization that provides life-changing STEM education experiences. Today, we are going to be making a baking soda volcano. During this experiment, we are going to learn about chemical reactions. What is a chemical reaction? It's when the molecular or ionic structure of a substance is rearranged. Here we go, let's get started. In order to complete the experiment, you will need the following: 6 cups of flour, 2 cups of salt, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, warm water, food coloring, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a plastic soda bottle, dishwashing detergent, vinegar, and a baking dish or a baking pan. Start by making the cone of your baking soda volcano by mixing 6 cups of flour, 2 cups of salt, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 2 cups of water. Then you're going to stand the soda bottle in the baking pan and mold the dough around it to form a volcano shape. Be sure not to cover the hole or drop the dough inside the bottle. Fill the bottle most of the way full with warm water and a bit of red food coloring. Now you can add your red food dye. Now you're going to add 6 drops of detergent to the contents of the bottle. The detergent helps trap bubbles produced by the chemical reaction so you get better lava. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the liquid in the bottle. Slowly pour vinegar into the bottle and then watch out. It's eruption time.